Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Rosetta Stone effectively. To begin, focus on the core lessons to build a strong foundation in your chosen language. Consistency is key, so aim for at least 15 to 20 minutes of practice every day. Don't forget to actively use the speech recognition tool. It's excellent for improving your pronunciation and confidence in speaking. To truly maximize your learning, dive into the extended learning activities. These provide valuable context and help solidify what you've learned in the core lessons. Make sure to speak aloud as much as possible, even if you're just repeating phrases. Regular review of past units is also crucial for long-term retention and building fluency. Beyond the software, integrate real-world practice. Try to find opportunities to converse with native speakers, even for short periods. Watching foreign language films or shows with subtitles can also help you connect spoken words with their written forms. A simple trick is to label common household items in your target language for constant exposure. Setting clear, achievable goals is vital for staying motivated. Define both short-term milestones, like completing a unit, and long-term aspirations, such as holding a basic conversation. Regularly track your progress to visualize your achievements. Remember to celebrate every small victory along the way. It keeps the learning journey enjoyable and sustainable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.